Hey everybody, my name's Birger, and on this channel I like to cook a bunch of different things, whether it's on the grill, on the smoker, over open fire, on the griddle, cast iron skillets, regular skillets, anything like that, and I try to make it look as best as I can for you so that you can enjoy some good recipes and some good visuals at the same time. Now this recipe that we're doing involves short ribs, beef short ribs. I'll wait for that tractor to go by. I was kind of inspired by my buddy Chef Firestone making these on a video that I made for him a long time ago. And I had never actually done smoked short ribs before. I've done braised short ribs. Today we're gonna actually combine the two of them. So I'm gonna smoke them on cherry wood, a little bit of pecan with some charcoal, and then we're going to braise them. And we'll put all this stuff together for you so you can see how it goes. I've never done this before, so hopefully these come out good. And I was listening to a song called Jumpsuit by 21 Pilots, and I'm like, maybe we can take this a little further. Let's slice up little cubes of the short ribs once they're done and they're rested. I'm calling this short rib jumpsuits. We're just gonna start with our mirepoix because on this grill, we can just set this big old cast iron Dutch oven on the rack above the coals. And we're just gonna keep our mirepoix hot underneath our short ribs so that we get all that aroma from the mirepoix to go waft up. I'm not sure if that'll make a difference or not, but why not? And we're gonna catch all the drippings from the short rib in the pot so that when we go to braise them in the pot afterwards, after they're done smoking, we get all that flavor back. So we're not gonna lose nothing. Now with the mirepoix, we don't have to go crazy with our slices, so we're just gonna chop big chunks. That's good. We're going red onion today, so we just need to cut just some big chunks. There we go. Into the pot it goes. No need to be pretty with it. Now we're just gonna hit this with some beef broth. Now I like to use the unsalted beef broth because I don't like the beef broth to dictate how much sodium I use. That's just me though. We're gonna put a whole 32-ounce box of beef broth in there, and then we're gonna save another 32-ounce for when we go to throw our ribs in it. Now we've got a nice big old plate of short ribs here. We're gonna pat them dry. There's this giant membrane on the back here. We're gonna leave that on, but we are going to score it over the bone so that the bone can just rip right out. We're gonna cut just a little bit of this chunky, non-desirable fat off of it. Just a little bit, I don't wanna overdo it. Yeah, that is some tough, tough fat right there. Beautiful marbling there. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with mustard. Nice. And Worcestershire. We're gonna use this as our binder. And we're gonna keep it pretty simple as far as rub goes. Our rub-a-dub-dub is really just a mixture of a lot of coarse ground pepper, coarse kosher salt, and garlic powder. That's it. We're keeping it really simple.
The Atlantic was born today, and I'll tell you how. The clouds above opened up and let it out.
You think the birds we have are afraid of water?
I was standing on the surface of a perforated sphere when the water filled every hole, and thousands upon thousands made an ocean, making islands where no island should go. Oh no. Most people were overjoyed. They took to their boats. I thought it less like a lake and more like a moat. The